It's a cold January morning and we're here starting our journey to the Dusseldorf boat show.
3, 2, 1.
Yes, that's right. The Boot Dusseldorf is now open until next Sunday, the 28th of January. All of our brands and accessories partners are here, showing the best products all under one roof. So book yourself a flight. It's 5 minutes from the airport, and there's no better place to start thinking about the boating season ahead than at the largest indoor boat show in the world. Drop us a line if you'd like to meet or are tempted to visit. See you there.